Namaste everyone. Here I am going to explain unit second named as operations on large numbers of standard 5th for the students studying in DAV public schools. Here all the four fundamental operations will be used. Firstly, try to understand addition on large numbers. See, this number will be read as 4,38,291. This is 35,605, and this one will be read as 3,19,278. We have to add all these three numbers. So, firstly we write it in vertical column wise like this, and from rightmost digits we will start addition. 1 plus 5, that is 6, plus 8, that is 14. In 14, 4 stands at 1's place and 1 at 10's place. So 4 will be written here at 1's place and 1 will be carried to left. Then this one will be added in this 10's digit, which is at 10's place. 1 plus 9, that is 10, plus 7, that is 17. 7 will come here and 1 will be carried towards left, and this is process to add. We will add all digits in same way. Now try to understand what about difference. To find difference between two numbers, we need to subtract the smallest number from the greatest one. Here, find the difference of this one will be read as 9 lakh. This number is 9 lakh, and this one is 7,11,498. We have to find difference between these numbers. This one is the greatest among these two numbers, and this one is the smallest among these two numbers. So a smallest number will be subtracted from the greatest number. We will write it in vertical form, and greatest number will be written in top part, in top place, and smallest number will be written in bottom part, and this number will be subtracted. Firstly put here negative symbol. In addition we must put plus symbol. In addition must put plus symbol. In subtraction or in difference we must put negative symbol. Now subtract from rightmost digit. 0, 8. 8 will not be subtracted from 0. So take 10 from left side. 10 plus 0, that is 10, and 10 minus 8, it gives us 2. Now here is 9 only. 9 minus 9, that is 0, and so on. We will solve. This is difference. Now come at multiplication or product. Question is like this. Find the product of 4,908 by 326. We need to multiply here. Greatest number will be written on top part, and smallest by which we have to multiply, we will write it in bottom and put symbol like this, multiplication. And this 6 will be multiplied by all these 4 digits. 8, 6, 48. It gives us 8, and 4 will be raised 8 into 0. It gives us 6 into 0. 6 into 0, that is 0, and 4 is already available. 0 plus 4, that is 4. Now 6 will be multiplied by 9. After that 6 will be multiplied by 4, and so on. And one digit we will leave from right side. We will have to go left side. And finally we add. We must put this addition symbol, and in this way we get finally 16 lakh and 8 only. This is product of given problem. Now divide and check. This is fourth fundamental operation. Divide and check. Divide and check. 2000 by 45. We have to divide this 2000 by 45. Firstly, we will write it like this. 2000, this is called dividend. 45 is called divisor. 45 ones, that is 45. Here 20 will not be divided by 45. Now 200, take 200. 45 ones, 45 twos, 90, 45 threes, 135, and 45 fours, that is 180, which is less than 200, slight less than. Put here, and 4 minus subtract, that is 20, 10 will come here. In this way we have 200. Again multiply it by 4, we have 180. Now subtract, finally we get 20, and 20, this is remainder, which is less than this divisor 45. Remainder must be less than divisor. Now check it. As we know, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have to check with help of this formula. This is called algorithm also. Dividend is already given, that is 2000. Now right side is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Find it. Divisor, that is 45, quotient, that is 44, and remainder, that is 20 will be added. In this way we have 1980 plus 20, that is 2000 finally. In this way we see dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So our division is correct. Now take some examples related to all these 4 fundamental operations. These fundamental operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Question runs like this. Rama is a kite maker. In one season, he sold 37,043 red kites, 42,620 blue kites, and 27,986 green kites. How many kites did he sell in all? We need to add all these kites. We will write it like this. Number of red kites is given, number of blue kites is also given, and number of green kites is also given. We will have to add all these numbers. Rama sold blue kites, that is given 42,620. Rama sold red kites, that is also given. Rama sold green kites, it is also given. Now add all these terms. He sold all kites. Add all these number of kites. 3 plus 6, that is 9, plus 0, that is 9, and so on. We will add it. 2 plus 4, that is 6, plus 8, that is 14, 4, 1, and so on. In this way we will have to add, and finally we get he sold all kites, that is 1,07,649. Now try to understand the next question. If a factory produces 1285 toy cars every day, how many toy cars will it produce in a year of 293 working days? There are total working days, that is 293, and production in 1 day, every day. Produced car in 1 day is 1285, and we need to find production in 293 days. Here multiplication will be done. This number will be multiplied by this number. We can write like this: production in 1 day is equal to 1285, and total number of days, that is 293. Now multiply this number, and finally we get like this. So total production is 3,76,505 toy cars. This is total production in 293 days. We need to multiply here. Now take another example, that is like this. In a year, Rahul earns rupees 72,600. It is earned money in a year. A year contains 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. How much will he earn monthly? We need to find his earning in a month. 12 months earning is given. This earning is in 12 months. We can write like this: earnings in 12 months is equal to rupees 72,600. Hence earnings in 1 month, earning will become lesser. So we need to divide here. Is equal to rupees 72,600, which is divided by 12, is equal to rupees 6,050 rupees only. So Rahul rupees 6,050 will earn monthly. His monthly earning is rupees 6,050 only. Now come at fill in the blanks type questions. See here, this number is available in this side, and this number is here, and this part is empty, so we can put this number here. This part is empty, and here 426, so we put this number in this blank box. In this way, LHS is equal to RHS. This is trick to fill blank spaces. When we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. When we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. When we multiply 1 to any number, we get the same number. When we divide 0 by any number, we get 0. This 0 is divided by 48, we get 0. Here, I multiplied these 3 digits by 5. In this way, we get these numbers, and 3 zeros are here. I put these 3 zeros here. In this way, this is multiplied. Next, 25 is multiplied by 1. 25, 3 zeros are here. I put here 3 zeros. In this way, our multiplication become easier. Now worksheet 1. Operations on large numbers. Subtract 13,91,803 from 52,09,123. Subtract from this number we have to subtract this. From this number we have to subtract this number. So we will write the number which is just coming after the word from. This is written in top part, and the number which is before from we will write in bottom part, because this number is to be subtracted from this number, and I subtracted in this way. This is our result. Result is 38,17,320. Next question is subtract 25,18,624 from 40 lakh. Firstly, I will write this number which is just after from. From this is 40 lakh. Solution 40 lakh is written first. After that, we need to subtract this number. This is 25 lakh 18,624. I will write it in bottom and this number will be subtracted. So put here negative symbol, minus symbol, and subtract from rightmost digit. And our final result is 14,81,376. This is our solution. Next example is like this. Subtract. This is 3,65,17,298 from 8,79,25,149. I will write this number first, which is coming just after from, and it is solved like this, and subtract from rightmost digit. This number will be written in bottom part, negative symbol must be put here, and in this way I calculated. Now come at worksheet 2. Questions are related to word problems. Firstly, we have to understand word problems. A soap factory produced 26,92,645 soaps in 1 year. This is production in 1 year. In the next year, it produced 8,67,205 soaps more. This number will be increased in the second year. How many soaps did the factory produce in the second year? Second year production is going to be increased. So we need to add increased number of soaps. Then we find production in second year. In the next year, its production will be obtained. When we add increased number of soaps in the production which is already produced in the previous year. Solution: soaps produced in 1 year, that is given. It is given here 26,92,645. This is the same number, and this number is increased. So I added it here, and our final result is like this. So soaps produced in the second year will be 35,59,840 soaps. This is our result, which is produced in the second year. Try to understand the next problem, word problems. In an election, the winning candidates got 6,28,496 votes, and his rival got 4,56,298 votes. If 3,846 votes were declared invalid, this is also polled vote. What was the total number of votes polled? We need to add all these votes, because all these votes are of different kinds, but they are polled. Solution: winner got votes. This is number of winner who got this vote. And rival got. This is number which is obtained by the rival. And this is the number of votes which declared invalid, but it is also polled. So I added it, and our result is total votes polled, that is 10,88,640 votes. This is word problem. We need to understand it first, again and again, read it and try to understand it. Now come at BT. Subtract this number from the sum of these two numbers. Firstly, we find sum of these two numbers. These are large numbers. Firstly, we need to find its sum. Sum will be like this. Firstly, add these two numbers and we get it like this. This is sum, and we need to subtract this number from this sum. So I wrote it like this. This number will be subtracted from the sum. Sum is written first, and the number which is to be subtracted, this is written at last, and this number is subtracted, and I got final this result. Word problems must be understood properly by reading it again and again. Now take another example, that is an engine pumps 2,85,000 liters of water in 5 hours. Number of hours is given, that is 5 hours. How many liters of water will the engine pump in 1 minute? 1 minute. 5 hours. We need to change this 5 hours into minutes. Then we can calculate water pumped in 1 minute. Water pumped in 5 hours, that is given 2,85,000 liters. Water pumped in 5 hours is changed into 5 into 60 minutes, as 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So I changed 5 into 60 minutes. Then 5 hours is changed into minute is equal to 2,85,000 liters. Implies that water pumped in 1 minute. 1 minute. So water pumped will be reduced. So I need to divide this number by 5 into 60 minutes. And finally I got, hence water pumped in 1 minute, that is 950 liters. Now take another example that is also related to word problems. We need to understand word problems first. The total number of men, women and children in a state is, this is population of the state, that is 93,86,493. This is population in which men, women and children, all these are added. If the number of men is 26,38,755 and that of women is 25,29,431, find the number of children. Number of children is missing, and its sum of all these three types of. Firstly, try to understand this word problem, that is number of men and women is given, and number of children is missing, and total number of population is also given. Now number of men, it is given here. Number of women will be added. Sum of men and women is obtained here. In this way, I got sum of men and women. Now sum of men and women plus number of children, it is given. It is total population of the state. Now we can write it like this. This sum is obtained. This is number of men and women plus number of children. It makes total population of the state. When we subtract number of men and women from total population, we get number of children. This rule is called transposition. You can do it by understanding it also. Number of children will be obtained by subtracting number of men and women from the total population of the state. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.